Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. The process of writing a scientific research paper has evolved in the era of AI, with tools such as OpenAI's Chat GPT offering robust language understanding and generation capabilities. The advanced AI model could help with a variety of stages in scientific writing, ranging from the initial drafting to the final revision. So, the purpose of this video is to clarify the way in which Chat GPT can be used effectively when developing a scientific research paper. Let's begin. First, we need to understand, what is Chat GPT? The language model created by OpenAI is called Chat GPT. They are capable of language understanding, content creation, aggregation, text editing and fact-checking. However, it also has limitations such as occasional inaccuracy, verbosity, and sometimes generating plausible but incorrect or nonsensical responses. The combination of its strengths with humans' judgment and expertise is needed in order to effectively use Chat GPT for science writing. Alright, start with Step 1, Pre-writing stage, defining the research question. Chat GPT can be a powerful brainstorming tool. By asking it to generate ideas for a research paper on impact of training and development on employees' performance, you can explore diverse perspectives and possible research questions. Performing a literature review. Chat GPT can assist in summarizing articles, which is handy when reviewing a large volume of literature. You can use the command, summarize the following article on impact of training and development on employees' performance. For this purpose, you can paste link of paper and copy and paste the paper. Developing the research design. You can use Chat GPT to generate ideas for your research design. Use commands like, provide a research design for a study on impact of training and development on employees' performance. Chat GPT provide a perfect research design. Writing the research paper. Introduction. An engaging introduction is crucial. By asking Chat GPT to write an introduction for a research paper on impact of training and development on employees' performance, you can obtain a draft to further refine. In Methods section, Chat GPT can help elaborate on your research methods. Commands like, explain the following research method, qualitative method, can generate detailed explanations. Results section. Presenting results in a clear and concise way can be challenging. Chat GPT can assist with this through the command, present the following results. In discussion section, interpreting the results and linking them to your research question is vital. Chat GPT can help by using the command, discuss the implications of these results. In conclusion section, Chat GPT can summarize your findings using the command, summarize the key findings of a research on impact of training and development on employees' performance. In references. Managing references can be a daunting task, but Chat GPT can assist by formatting references in specific styles when given the command, format the following references in a PA style. Okay, post-writing stage, revising and editing the paper. Proofreading and editing are made easier with Chat GPT. Use the command, proofread and edit the following text. Paste text, for example, abstract, introduction and so on, to get suggestions for grammatical corrections and stylistic improvements. Advances like Chat GPT will undoubtedly shape the future of scientific writing as AI continues its evolution, providing exciting possibilities for further research. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.